Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into AWS Lambda, looking at what it is, why it matters, and showcasing real-world use cases from industries like healthcare, banking, and aviation to bring it all into life. Let's start with healthcare. Imagine GE Health managing S3 buckets for multiple clients or tenants. They have set up AWS Lambda, so whenever a file is uploaded to a specific tenant's bucket, a Lambda function triggers automatically to process that file, maybe converting, validating, or distributing it. This ensures seamless, event-driven handling without manual checks or dedicated servers. Next, let's look at a banking client, Capital One. They have gone all in serverless. Over a third of their applications now run using AWS Lambda, leading a major developer time savings and in some cases up to 90% cost reductions. Thanks to Lambda's pay only when you run pricing model and ability to scale exactly as needed. The move freed their engineers from infrastructure maintenance, enabling them to build faster and more efficiently. Another powerful financial services example comes from ERGO Group, a leading insurer in Germany. They link AWS config and security hub with Lambda to automate remediation. If a resource lacks a required tag or violate compliance settings, Lambda is triggered, automatically tagging or shutting down the resources and notifying operators. This gives them real-time security posture improvements at scale. Now that we have seen how Lambda powers real-world use cases across healthcare, banking, and insurance, let's move on and keep looking at this hands-on section. I'll walk you through creating your own simple Lambda function and show how it fits into a broader architecture, whether for reusable services or event-driven logic. So here I have created a simple function, and then that function is being called from my application, and here in the application whatever input parameters are being sent to test the Lambda function, create image processor, the Lambda function. I am testing it by creating a test event and then calling the input parameters from my application, whatever is being expected. That I am also trying to test it on the Lambda function created on the server on the AWS console. So here on the AWS console there is a test section where you can give the input parameters. Here the image 60 the byte characters. I am not passing the image and just giving null for sample smoke test kind of thing. Then I am giving some whatever is the email that the customer on my BidMyHobby platform is going to give for uploading their hobby items. So that email is also I am trying to add as an input parameter. This will be all used from the Lambda function from your another microservice or any other service, where not even just one service. So wherever I want this function to be reused, I can reuse it in other services also just by invoking the Lambda function, having a Lambda client in my local or in my microservices, and then calling it via. So here you see that the response has become successful, and here I am showing the code where I am actually invoking the Lambda function by adding. I showed you how to create a simple Lambda function and how it fits into bigger systems like BidMyHobby. In my next video, we'll go even deeper into integrating Lambda with other AWS services. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this useful.